Welcome to another session of Loyal and Save training. In today's session, we will learn how to create, edit, and convert Loyal and Save employees. Loyal and Save employees essentially are store staff members themselves. They function as regular employees who earn commission based on rewards. The employee can also use a mobile app or a website just like a customer does and manage their own team and profiles. So in our first step, we will go ahead and navigate to Users and LNS Employees. To add a new LNS employee manually, click on the Add New button. Employee details for Loyal and Save employees are displayed differently than for a normal customer. For instance, in addition to the default fields, you will see the fields such as an employee type, can register for employees. When selecting for can register employees, this allows the employee themselves to actually register other employees. So note this field is reserved for district managers, general managers, and store managers. This allows them to register employees underneath them. The next field, we have employee level for EIP. There are 5 levels for the employee EIP. Level 1 will be your store employee, such as your cashier. Level 2 will be your store manager or your assistant manager. Level 3 would be your store manager or your district manager. Level 4 will be your general manager, and it goes all the way up to 5 levels. You have the ability to select these levels and different naming conventions. It is not required to have all 5 levels. You could have 2, 3 levels, but all the way up to 5. Select Employee Manager, Employee Date Hired, and Probation Ending Date. Next, we will show you how to edit an LNS employee. Click on Loyalty, Customer, and Customers. From here, you will search for the customer using the filters, then select Modify button. From here, this will display the customer's information. The customer type will display normal customer, LNS employee, or nonprofit. So as we can see in this section, this is a normal customer. Now we're going to convert this customer into an LNS employee. So let's go ahead and press cancel. And on this screen, you will see there are several icons under action: Modify, Associations, and Convert to Employee. We're going to go ahead and click on Convert to Employee. Select employee type. From here, you can enter in part-time or full-time. Enter the employee number. Can the employee register employees? This will be considered as an assistant manager, a store manager, a district manager, a regional manager. So it's anybody underneath them. You would not want to have a cashier sign up another cashier. Select employee level for EIP. You can use up to 5 levels in the EIP. Now, the naming convention for the levels are configurable through the loyalty settings, which will be explained in a later module. In this case, we will mark the employee as a cashier. Select the employee's manager. So from the list, you will select the employee's manager and the date the employee was hired. And then click on Convert to LNS Employee. You will then get a prompt that will say Successfully Converted Customer to an LNS Employee. Now, the customer will appear under the LNS Employee tab. Next, we will edit an existing Loyal and Save employee. Navigate to Loyalty, Customer, LNS Employees. From the filters, enter in the employee's first and last name. In the Actions section, click on Modify. Under the Details tab, you will see the first name, last name, username, email, gender, employee type, either part-time or full-time, the date of birth of the employee number, Can the employee register employees? The employee level for EIP. Level 1 will be your store employee, such as your cashier. Level 2 will be your store manager. Level 3, district manager. Level 4, general manager. And level 5. These levels can be changed under the loyalty settings, which will be explained in the next module. Select the employee's manager and the date of hire. The probation date will also be configured under the loyalty settings, which will also be explained in the next module.